Assalamualaikum. Hello, dear students. Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, students, today I will take a class on right form of verb, because we know right form of verb is a very important topic in English grammar. Knowing right form of verb correctly brings a variety in English grammar. So, it is for all classes of students, and especially for the person who are going to take part in a competitive exam, because we know recently the primary teacher recruitment circular has been published. It is also helpful for those. So let's start it. We can see there are some widgets on the board. The first widget means example. Which means example. The first widget, I opened the door as soon as he come. I opened the door as soon as he comes. I learned the poem as long as the tutor come. The fourth one is the train leave from the station as soon as I come. So here we can see there is conjunction here as soon as, and here also as soon as, and also here as long as, and also we can see as soon as. So this conjunction is very important here. We know in any sentence, if you find as soon as long as, till, or until, you will have to remember that if one part is past indefinite, the other part will be past indefinite. But if you find one part is present indefinite, but other part will be future perfect tense. And if you find one part is future perfect tense, other part will be present indefinite tense. So once again I say, if you find one part is past indefinite, then other part will be past indefinite. But if you find one part is present indefinite, other part will be future perfect. Though there is conjunction as soon as long as, till, until are same. But if one part is present indefinite, other part will be future perfect. But if one part is past indefinite, other part will be past indefinite. So it's a amazing matter. So let's look at the right answer of the sentences or of these widgets. The first widget, I opened the door as soon as he comes. So here you can see the previous part. The past part of as soon as is I opened the door. Here I opened the door is past indefinite. Is past indefinite tense. Is past indefinite tense. So the rest part will be also past indefinite. So for past indefinite, we know after subject verb first form will come. So here we can see he is a subject and the verb will be past form. So the past form of come is came. So the came is right answer. So next look at the another widget. I opened the door as soon as he comes. So here we can see he comes. We'll have to correct this part, but this part we can see he comes. He comes is present indefinite tense because subject verb 1 as or is. Because subject is third person, for this we will have to use as or is with the verb in present indefinite tense. So that's why it's present indefinite tense. The previous part will be future perfect because this part is present indefinite and this part will be future perfect. But we will not make it past indefinite or present indefinite because we can see that as soon as here also and there also as soon as. But for present indefinite, we'll have to make it future perfect. So for future perfect, we know after verb, we'll have to take will have, and the verb will be past participle. So the past participle form of open is opened. Is opened. So the right answer will be will have opened. Hope you can understand. So try to understand this one. I learned the poem as long as the tutor come. We'll have to correct this part. But here we can see I learned the poem. Here we can see I learned the poem is past indefinite tense because I is a subject, learned is V2. So this is past indefinite, so the rest part will be also past indefinite. So the past indefinite, the answer will be came. So let's look at the last, which the train leave from the station as soon as I come. So here the incomplete part is the train leave, the complete part is I come. So I is a subject, come is V1 because it's present indefinite. So for present indefinite we will have to make it future perfect. So the future perfect will be will have left. Will have left is the right answer of this sentence. So it is a very important topic. I will give you some interesting or amazing example or quizzes to you for cut a good figure in any type or any kind of competitive exam. So let's review once again. If you find as soon as long as, till or until in a sentence, if one part is past indefinite, other part will be past indefinite. But if you find any part is present indefinite, other part will be future perfect. Or if you find future perfect, the rest part will be present indefinite. This is the matter, though the conjunctions are same. Hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Salam. Hope for the best. Bye.